Spot welding process. It is the simplest form of resistance welding used for welding sheet metals of both ferrous and non-ferrous metals of 8 mm thick or less. It consists of two electrodes of water cooled, one is fixed one and the another is movable. One is fixed one and another is movable. One is fixed one and another is movable. By operating a foot lever, a movable electrode is brought in contact with the sheet and a pressure of 20 to 25 newtons per mm square is applied. A low voltage of 30 volts and high amperage current of 120 to 300 amperes is passed with the help of a transformer in the electrodes. This results in intense heat generated, and this heat yes, this results in intense heat and the sheet gets welded within 10 to 15 seconds. 10 to 15 seconds. Soon after the current is switched off with the pressure on, after the weld cools, pressure is released. Material having higher thermal conductivity can be easily welded. So the below figure shows the details. You can see here spot welding process. Here a spot is there where the welding has taken place. So this is a transformer. This is fixed electrode and movable electrodes. Here pressure is operated by a foot operated lever and it shows everything. So next we will go for seam welding process. Seam welding process. Here two copper wheels act as electrodes through which current is passed and the pressure is applied. Workpiece are kept between the two electrodes, movable electrodes, and current is passed through the electrodes and pressure is applied. A weld is formed, continuous weld is formed as the work moves between the electrodes. Heat is generated due to the flow of current and the work offers resistance to this. Either current or pressure can be varied to control the heat generated. This change the contact resistance. A series of overlapping welds are formed and the spacing can be controlled. Spacing can be controlled. Yes, you can see here seam welding process. Spacing can be controlled. So here as the contact resistance differs continuously, varies. So you can see here, so they are changing. These are the two electrodes, they are revolving or rotating at the different directions. These are water cooled and a series are okay. User can make continuous welding. Next one, projection welding. Projection welding, it is the simplest of spot welding process, or it is similar to the spot welding process. Copper platons are held in the arms The workpiece are held in positions in the arms. One piece has projections and the other is flat. Current is passed through the pressure, the pass and the pressure is applied. The projections flatten and the two pieces get welded. Large number of welds can be done at various large number of welds can be done at various at various can be done at various points by having projections. Any metal or alloy can be welded. So figure shows the details. Yeah, you can see here projections on the upper half plate and lower half plate don't have projections. So the movable electrode, when it is pressure is applied and current is flown, so then, so due to the generation of heat at the contact pressure, contact place, so here you can see a series of spots. There are two spots